Hey guys, I wanted to do another video, show another project that I worked on where I got some speakers from local audio place and mounted them to the outside of my house. I got two. They were probably $120. Brand was Yamaha. They're outdoor speakers. They're rated for rain and whatnot, so they're supposedly weatherproof. I mounted them to the outside of my house. You'll notice that there are two hooks installed in the awning, or the overhang. I'll cover that in a later video, but that's to house a outdoor screen, so I kind of have a outdoor movie theater on the back side of my garage. Here we are inside. I wanted you to see I got a really cheap like stereo receiver thing I found at a flea market. It was probably was not even $20, and I have those speakers wired in through the house, through the wall, and to this receiver, which has many audio inputs and various other things, FM or FM receiver. But yeah, so I can get radio. I also hooked it up to one of these Amazon pucks, so I can get Spotify, podcasts, other radio stations. So yeah, it's just an outdoor speaker system, and that was it. It was probably $130 to get sound and stuff out from outside. Thank you very much.